lawyer pals! Don't let leads slip through the cracks. Here are 3 tips on why inexpensive, live, human-based web chat rocks. It always feels really bad when you've got a website, you've spent all this money for it, you know that people are visiting your website, but they're not turning into clients. This means that you probably have a high bounce rate and people are just bouncing off of your website. Here are 3 tips on why inexpensive, live, human-based web chat rocks. 1. Don't miss out. Capture leads instantly, preventing missed opportunities and boosting conversions. 2. Instant connection. Clients love the immediate response, boosting engagement and trust. And 3. Cost effective. Lower your client acquisition costs while maximizing leads and appointments. With absolutely no ongoing commitment and less than $200 monthly, you can be capturing all those leads and making sure that those actual people visiting your website, visiting your different channels, your meta ads and your Google Maps turn into real qualified clients, because you'll know that they're talking to real people who can actually qualify them. Reach out to me, Mary at GoMediaMarketing.com, and let's get you all set up.